Good morning, everybody. It's April 5th, 2012. I'm meteorologist Beau Dodson. Let's take a look outside this morning at the Weather Observatory, and you see cloudy skies. There's some showers and thunderstorms scattered around the area. Some of us have remained dry over the last 24 hours. A bit surprised. I thought we would have more widespread activity. Some areas picked up a lot of rain overnight, even some hail and gusty winds in some places. So you either got rain or you didn't, and I apologize. I thought it would be more widespread. There will be more showers today, and we'll keep an eye on radars. We see Poplar Bluff this morning, some broken clouds, a little bit of sun moving in there. They're expecting a few showers today as well. We look at temperatures, and it's already in the 60s, again, well above normal. Normal lows this time of year around 45, so we woke up to upper 50s and 60s over much of our area. A little cooler over the north and northeastern counties. You see that push of cooler air. We look at the wind map, and a few changes on the map today. You see these northeasterly winds across parts of our area. Then you see this little boundary here where the front is, and the boundary where north of there overnight there were a lot of showers and thunderstorms, but south of there it remained mostly dry. You see that low here. There's an upper level low and low over northern Arkansas, and you see the winds being pulled back from the northwest. Remember, low pressure is counterclockwise, so you can sort of see that flow, and even down into Arkansas, and then southerly flow ahead of it. This is where your showers and thunderstorms are occurring. This is where the cooler, sorry about that. This is where the cooler and colder air is being pulled in behind it. So we look at the advisories this morning, and a large area of frost and freeze advisories and warnings to our north and northeast. Going to be cold tonight, even some 30s down in our counties, but they're expecting the frost and freeze to remain just to our north and northeast. Saturday morning will probably be down in the 30s as well. We'll have to keep an eye on exactly how low the temperatures get. I see to our south a few severe thunderstorms this morning. This is at 8:30 a.m. And remember, those maps change throughout the day. We look at radar around 8:30 again. You see some showers and thunderstorms over west Kentucky, southern Indiana, back in Ohio. A little band of light rain up here north of St. Louis. A few showers developing around St. Louis, and some showers and thunderstorms to our south in Arkansas. You can almost see that spin here of the upper level low. Scattered showers expected at any time today could pop up over any of our counties, and then by tonight that will all be pushing off to our south and east, and that will leave us with a dry Friday and Saturday and Sunday. Keep in mind there will be a cold front moving in Sunday or Saturday night. That may bring a few showers and thunderstorms, but we're hoping that comes through at night, and maybe it won't bother any of your outdoor activities. We look at the GFS here off the right weather. This is a model depiction of what to expect today. This blue, purple, pink, that's rain and precip. Here's the low moving across our area. It will move off to the south and east through the day. This is later Thursday afternoon, Friday evening. You see all the precip is pushed off to the south and east of us, ending our rain chances. So if you don't pick up any rain today, you're probably not going to pick any up with this system. We watch high pressure build in. This is a cold high. That's why you see the frost and freeze warnings over portions of the Ohio Valley. These highs come down from Canada. They bring cold air with them. And we see on Friday afternoon, the high dominates our area into Saturday morning. Again, this will bring cold temperatures on Saturday morning. Here comes that next cold front. We see the little precipitation developing out in Kansas, Nebraska. Here's the area of low pressure. Watch that cold front move east on Saturday, and you see this broken line of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon just to our west. So it looks like it'll move through here Saturday night. We move forward Saturday night about 3 a.m. Here's a broken line of showers and thunderstorms. You see that moisture is limited with this system, sort of moisture starved, but there may be enough for a few showers and thunderstorms Saturday night. But we think that it will get through here by Sunday morning. Easter services, you see here the front's off to our east, and that leaves us hopefully with a nice Sunday. And we see on Monday high pressure building in from Canada. That may also bring some colder air next week. We're going to have to keep an eye on that as well. Speaking of colder air, let's take a look at temperatures for today. We see 60s across our southern counties, but look at the 50s over our north and northeast counties. Sort of a battle here of air masses. And as we move through tonight, a solid push of that colder air. As that high pressure comes down, it brings the colder air with it. And so by Friday morning, 30s over parts of the Ohio Valley, even some 20s, 40s over our southern counties, 40s and 30s over our middle counties, sort of a line in there. And then on Friday afternoon, you see temperatures rise near 60, 50s over portions of our counties in Southern Illinois, in Indiana, maybe upper 50s, lower 60s across our middle counties, and then a little warmer as you move south. And then by Saturday morning, let's move ahead. We see the overnight lows again, possibly down into the 30s over our region, and even colder to the north and northeast. So if you have any sensitive plants, Friday morning, Saturday morning, you might bring those in. We're not looking for a hard frost or freeze, but with temperatures in the 30s, you're getting down there. And let's move ahead to Saturday afternoon. You see a nice rebound with temperatures solidly in the 60s across our region, could even be a 70-degree reading. And then we move to Sunday morning, not quite as cold as Friday and Saturday morning is going to be, with temperatures in the 50s ahead of that front that will be moving through our area on Saturday night, Sunday morning. And actually during the afternoon on Sunday, not too bad with temperatures in the 60s, maybe 70 degrees with the sun. If the sun comes out, then it should feel pretty nice, not too bad. So those are the way the temperatures look. We look at rainfall next 24 hours. It's mixed with some tenth of an inch, maybe a quarter of an inch over some areas. Of course, if a thunderstorm forms on top of you, it can always produce heavier rain. We look at the severe weather outlook for today, and we're just in general thunderstorms, not expecting severe weather. Slight risk of severe weather down in Tennessee and the Gulf Coast states down into Florida. Again, that's ahead of that low pressure area as it moves, and there's a little more moisture to work with and instability to our south and east. So we're not expecting severe weather in our region. Could be a lightning. That's always a concern. If you hear lightning, then go indoors. We look at satellite this morning, and we see another complex of storms along the Gulf Coast. If you remember yesterday, there was one down there. We see those severe thunderstorms in central Mississippi, and then we see this spin, this counterclockwise spin. That's the upper level low pressure area that's moving through our region that will help spark some rain today. All right, bottom lines, some showers and thunderstorms today, drying out tonight, colder on Friday morning, colder on Saturday morning, should be dry Friday and Saturday. Saturday night, cold front moves through, maybe some showers and thunderstorms along it, and hopefully we'll move all of that out of here by Sunday morning and definitely by Sunday afternoon. Okay, have a good day.